about to eat this. Just
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both kids.
Hello, stranger, spinner.
Hey guys, I know you guys all heard of Shein, but did you guys know they had wigs? Like what, girl? I know, I was surprised too. I had no idea. This was my first time ever trying a wig that they sent over to me, and I was a little skeptical at first. But honey, get into this wave right here. This was 26 inches of a curly, freaking just a vibe. Like as you guys can see, there was length, there was volume. It was just giving everything. The install was pretty simple. I just made it more complicated because, like I said, this was my first wig and I was a little scared. But luckily, I had my friend come over and make this install look so good on me. He helped me out through the whole process. The first thing we did was brush my hair down, and then he braided it because I didn't want to braid it completely down because didn't know how long I was going to keep this wig on. So he braided it. We put the wig cap on, and as you can see, I look a little funny looking like an egghead with this wig. But as soon as we got to the wig install, he did his thing. And honestly, I could have kept this wig on. I could have kept this wig on forever. It really had me feeling myself like, girl, what? And listen, ladies, tell your man to go order you a wig from Shein or a few, because he don't need to be looking at no other bitches outside, because he can have multiple right at home. I'm definitely going to be ordering some more. And make sure you guys comment down below and let me know what styles you think I should try, what colors you think I should try, because I've just entered a new era and I'm going to be having and trying all the wigs out. And you guys know I don't gatekeep, so I need to keep you guys in the loop. I'm going to be posting all the links, the description down below, and I have a discount code for you guys. So don't say I don't ever do anything for you guys. Stay tuned for my next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this cute little install. Bye, guys. It looks good. I see this hair. Let him know. Andre did it. Make sure to follow him on Instagram. I'll put it right here.